Hello my fan pals and welcome back. If you're new here, then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di. I am here at Creative Comma Design. Today I want to share with you 5 ways that you can create divider tabs, like these divider tabs. So if you are similar to me in that you like to create things for yourself, and let's say you have pattern paper and you're going to create your own planner or whatever, and you want to create your own divider tabs, let's look at 5 ways that you can do that. All right, so the first way, and it is very, 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 very budget friendly. You literally just get some cardstock, paper, pattern paper, whatever it is, write on whatever it is that you want to write on it. November, fold it. I'm going to trim that because that's way too much. And then you literally just slip it in. I can't find my big stapler, so this will have to do. And then you just staple it on. Super budget friendly. Super budget friendly. You could go the extra mile, get sticker paper. These are little Avery labels. You could go the extra mile and do it that way instead. I do this quite a lot for just random tabs and stuff like that. You could do that and you've got another one there. So that is your super budget, easy way to do it. Super budget. And if you want them removable, there are these as well. These little like post-it tab things. There's those too. Those are removable, really good. All right, so let's look at some other ways. The other thing that you can do, and this is one of my preferences, is these. These are little Avery tabs. They come with the little paper thing, paper insert thing. Paper insert thing. I know all the technical terms, but you literally just peel the adhesive off, stick it on, and you're good. And it gives you that clear effect. And then you just slip the paper through. This is great because you can change the paper inside there. So if you want to reuse the divider for something else, you can change that paper inside of there and it can say something else. These are like $5. I will leave a link to them. I have these. These are the 2-inch, I think. Yeah, these are 2-inch. I also have the 1-inch. Look at the 1-inch. They're so cute. So cute. So that's the second option. You can use the Avery tabs. Your third option is going to be stickers. So you can get stickers already pre-cut, pre-done for you. You can get those. These are Happy Planner. These are in, I think they were in the Teacher's Rule Big Book. So you could use these, and this could be your option. Your other option, if you can't find them, is to make your own and print them. These are my printable, available in my Etsy store. All I did was print and cut print the document, for lack of a better word, the document, and to make them like shiny. Can you see the shiny? You see the shiny? To make them shiny, to make them more durable, all I've done is I've used the draw liner adhesive stuff, the clear draw liner stuff from Dollar Tree. You could use sticker paper. I just decided to go the budget version with white sticker paper and draw liner. And I'm going to use these at the end to put tabs on my project life because I've printed all of them. So that is an option as well. You can print and cut with your Cricut. Fourth option is that you can literally buy a punch that is exactly like this. Exactly like it. You can just buy a punch. If you are not interested in print and cutting your own, you don't want the plastic labels, like you don't want these, you don't want the plasticky stuff, you can just punch your own with a punch. I don't have one of those, so I will just put an image here. I'll just put an image here. Fifth option, you can get around that by using a circle punch. The size of your tab is going to depend on the size of your circle punch. That is the first thing that I will say. And I'm going to use this because I've already put stuff on it. So let's say I've punched out a circle. Fold it in half first and then do it. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to eyeball. You would probably make sure that you're doing this a lot more better than this. Punch out 2 little bits from each end. And then I've got a tab. Can you see that? And then I've got a tab. Now I could do this in sticker paper. I could use a random sticker from a sticker book. And then I've got a little tab. You could do that. And I'm going to do that again, but out of colored paper so you can see what I'm doing. So I cut, fold it in half, but then you just cut little bits off the end. Cut little bits off the end, and then you've got your tab. And then you could just staple it. You could use some adhesive to put it in place. Alrighty, and again, that depends on the size of your circle. And you could do that with a circle sticker too. I hope that helps to show you 5 ways that you can add tabs to your planners, your dividers, and stuff like that. So I created mine so that I could put them on my project life, because if you remember earlier this year when I first started this, I was going to put tabs everywhere. I was going to put tabs everywhere, and I was going to do the whole thing, and we're going to have a tab-blastic time. Did we? No. Did I forget completely? Yes, I did. So now we have a tab. Yes, yes, and yes. All right, I'm going to go do the rest and I'll be right back. All right, all done. All done. I got all my tabs in. And I've got December's in, so I'm all set ahead for December. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this, then give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.